in north central Illinois, northern Dutch County in north central Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois, until 7 a.m. At 6:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beloit to near Rockford Airport to near Rochelle, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crystal Lake, Algonquin Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Love Park, Fox Lake, Harvard, Island Lake, Baringo, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Cary, Johnsburg, Lake Lure, Spring Grove, Candlewick Lake, and Fox River Grove, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 102 and 113. Island Lake, Baringo, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Cary, Johnsburg, Lake Lure, Spring Grove, Candlewick Lake, and Fox River Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What's wrong?